What's good? Welcome back to Trading with Yuri, and I hope you had an amazing trading week, because I did, and I really just stuck true to my plan. That's really it, and nothing much to that. I am working really hard to get a beginner course up and ready for you, so you could go ahead and get the ball rolling a little faster. It is gonna have some tricks and whatnot as far as trading when it comes down to trading, and an increase. I'm also include a bonus feature that I'm going to have on my premium course. And yeah, I'm gonna have a bunch of little stuff just help you get the ball rolling. Once you feel like you're ready to go ahead and take that big leap and that big step into the real, big boys, you're gonna go ahead and get that premium. But with that being said, let's go ahead and move into the recap. There was a lot of action, this time of year. There's going to be a lot of volatility, just going crazy, up, down, these long candles, these long wicks. If you're not using proper risk management, one of these candles can knock you out of the park, blow your account up easily. So that's why it's very important to go ahead and use proper risk management. There's a lot of volatility, means a lot of opportunity, but a lot of opportunity to make money and lose money. So for USDCAD, like I said, we called it up here, long wick down. Called it up here, long wick down. Same thing, called it up here, long wick down. Now, if you're still in the trade, I do definitely see it still coming down here, just because, if you go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, at the 4 hour, we're already going to be oversold. We're coming around this area. What I am anticipating might still come up a little bit right here and then shoot down, or might just shoot down from right there. It's going to be completely up to the markets. Right here too, I like what I'm seeing here. Nice little cluster. We are oversold on both ends with some bearish divergence on the 1 hour. On the weekly, let's go take on the weekly. On the weekly, this is some bearish momentum going on here. So, it's looking pretty promising, still keep going down. But at the end of the day, we're just going to have to see what happens. Personally, me, I did get out this trade once it fell all the way down here, because I did see it set up on my Ichimoku, and I did see it oversold on RSI. So I went ahead and decided to take my profits right here. And then lucky me, look, I missed this complete green candle right here. I am probably planning on re-entering around right here if it gets right here, or just where it's at when the market opens up, depending if it gaps up or down. We're going to have to see what happens. So that is my plan for USDCAD. That is going to be what happens. So, that's why I was saying in the beginning, right now I am working on a beginner's course, so you could kind of avoid this green candle of a pullback, and you would have taken the profits down here, or at least half of the profits. And throughout the week, realistically, these weeks right here, these trades that I do give you and these setups that I am giving you can be completely thrown off, the next day or on Tuesday or on even Wednesday. So the trades that I am giving you, it's just a prediction as far as what I'm seeing at the current time being of the market. Anything can happen from that time being, and completely can make my analysis and my predictions completely invalid, and gonna have to be a completely it might make a 180 as far as my predictions. And I'm not gonna be telling you guys off the bat, because I've told you from the beginning in a lot of these videos. These videos are meant to help you see the markets a little better, and kind of have a better understanding as far as what I'm in the look out for, and just help you set up your own trades. Once I do have my my main course set up out, you're going to be able to go ahead and buy that, and it's going to pretty much be in detail as far as exactly how I trade, everything from trading psychology to price action, to Ichimoku, and to a couple of different indicators that I use, and a couple of techniques. Not only am I going to show you how to use my personal trading technique and style, but I'm also going to show you how to build your own personal technique and style, because at the end of the day, trading is going to come down to flavor and however you trade, and it's going to come down to adaptability and being able to adapt with the markets every time they are changing. So NZDUSD, I told you, keep holding it, regardless of the sideways, regardless if it's in a drawdown. We are going to see it take off, and that's exactly what we saw here. So if you have not entered NZDUSD, I'm letting you know right now, it is too late, so don't enter for the buy. What I am anticipating though, I am anticipating a pullback. So we could actually see, now looking at the weekly, we might see it take it up to the red cloud right here, and then see a bounce back down, and then a push up. So we might see something like this. Oh, well, I'll go ahead and go over that on the weekly outlook. But as far as for the recap, we're gonna be we took off. If you did enter, if you haven't entered yet, well, then it's too late. Wait for the pullback. If you're still in it, I would go ahead and take half of the profit. It's probably gonna pull back once again, and then it's gonna take off. But congratulations to anyone that listened and stayed in NZDUSD. Not only were you riding this positive swap, but you also want to go ahead and took this massive gain of pips. Same thing, NZD Swiss, same thing. AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, I told you, AUDUSD it was either going to come down here, take off, or right where we're at, we were going to take off. And what did we do? Right where we were at, we took off. So, I mean, once again, I made these predictions. I made these calls off the bat. So if you were following along and you used proper risk management, like I said, ready for this drawdown, but hoping for this bounce right here, then congratulations to you. And let me see how many pips you got. Congratulations. You just caught 100 pips. Boom. USD Swiss. So USD Swiss was a little different. USD Swiss, as you can see, right here, boop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we were calling it right here, and I mean, it's bread and butter, really. Like, it's price action, simple price action, realistically. Like, that's all day right there. Let me go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, simple price action. Oversold, all that good stuff right here. Price action. Yep. So, I mean, USD Swiss, it was kind of one of those trades where you just kind of have to know what you're doing. And exactly what we did, we played it out. Nice call on USD Swiss. EURGBP. So EURGBP, I think, is one of the only trades that I think I was wrong on. I'm still anticipating to obviously take off on the upside, but at the time being, EURGBP is on a downtrend. I was looking at it earlier, and we're looking to probably take it to this orange line around the A3062 area. Once we get to that area, I just got like the support right here. Once we do get to the area, I am going to go ahead and be anticipating a buy still on this. But at the time being, EURGBP completely invalid. I hope you listened. I said, if it does cross this blue line, let's go ahead and just close out the trade. So, I mean, you would have lost a couple of pips. I mean, we're probably talking 220 pips. That's nothing. 20 pips in hopes for all this gain right here is nice. So, like I said, I'm still anticipating this pullback. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to wait for it to go ahead and keep pushing a little lower. And then we're going to go ahead and look for a buy. We're probably going to enter around the A36 area, I want to say. And then probably, yeah, around the A36 area. Maybe even the A35 area just to play it safe. But yeah, so that's going to be for EURGBP. We got a loss on that one. Euro Swiss. Let me see what's up with Euro Swiss. So, Euro Swiss. Like I said, all my arrows, I was anticipating it to go down. We did get some pullback action right here, so you could have got some pips right there. We didn't see it go up yet, so who knows? Might go up, might go down. It wasn't too much action on Euro Swiss. But yeah, I did get a couple of more trades throughout the week. Once again, like I said in the beginning of the video, this video is going to be based off of what I'm seeing currently in the time being in the market. If I do see something else set up during the week, I'm not going to make an update or anything like that. I might get posted on my Instagram. That's why I always tell you, follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot of content there and some of my trades, just in case I'm feeling good. I'll go ahead and share the trade, share the love a little bit. But yeah, with that being said, that's gonna be the recap. We did have a lot of wins. I know I did it this week, so I hope you enjoyed all the wins. And yeah, just keep your eyes open for that weekly outlook. I've been on fire recently, and I want you to be on fire too. I want you to get your bread up, and just these videos are literally free. So I have them on my Instagram, I have them on YouTube. So go ahead and pick and just watch the video. Go ahead and apply it to your trading style. Go ahead and apply it. And if you want to just test it out, go ahead and try it out with a 0.01. Go ahead and trade out with a demo account. I showed you how to download the MT4. I just posted the video on how to use MT4. You got no excuses other than yourself. So if you're serious about making your money and you're serious about making a change in your life, start taking action and just follow these simple directions. They're all free. Like, I'm giving you no excuses to succeed. And if you still don't succeed, man, that's going to be completely on you and no one else. But with that being said, man, I hope everyone really enjoys their weekend, spends time with their friends or family, and does whatever they want to do. As long as you're safe. And yeah, I hope you continue having a blessed trading week and a blessed trading career.